Hey guys, today we're going to talk about what the buyer persona is. So, what is this buyer persona? Well, they're not actually real people. These are actually an imaginary creation, a manifestation that is created by a marketer in order to look at who the general customer is for a specific company. So for example, let's say I'm working at a soap and candle store. I know that sounds weird, but there are quite a few of them out there. So let's say I'm working at one of these shops. Now, I go in there as a marketer and I look at the types of people who are in the store, how they interact with each other, how they interact with the staff. And when I've been there and I've done that for a couple of days, I can figure out kind of who the clientele are. So what I do is I create a character that represents an amalgamation of all of these different people that I've seen, put them together and basically say, okay, this is who my customer is. And so what I think is, right, what we've got to do in this situation is we've got to advertise to the specific customer. So I choose this person, which is the amalgamation of all of the people that I want to sell to, and I say, okay, I'm going to talk directly to the customer whenever I put something out, be it on Facebook, be it on Google, wherever I put the stuff, when I write a blog for the company, I've got an idea of who the customer is. This is the buyer persona. It is a character that I have created. It's almost taking me back to my drama days. Anyway, I hope that helps. You have a lovely day. Bye.